Imagine achieving everything in Bollywood only to risk it all and nearly lose everything. This is the real business-driven case of Rakesh Roshan's bankruptcy after Koila. And what it took from him to stage one of the most remarkable comebacks in film history, the high Karan Arjun blockbuster case. Rakesh Roshan delivers Karan Arjun, a global hit grossing over 35 crore. He's finally respected in the industry. Distributors chase him and the Jinx tag has been erased after years of struggle. The overreach Koila's ambition meets reality. Riding high, he pursues Koila in 1997, betting personal wealth on a 12 crore budget. Despite a star cast, the movie falls flat. The headline revenue 28 crore hides financial disaster, overinvestment, poor ROI, and risky personal lending leave the family on the brink of bankruptcy. Rakesh invested everything, his savings, loans, and even entrusted money to acquaintances who disappeared. For the first time, his son Hrithik sees him break down. The pressure is more than financial, it's mental and emotional. So, what went wrong? Unlike typical failure stories, here the mistake was over-leverage, lack of risk diversification, and misplaced trust in a volatile market. A classic business case of success-induced risk tolerance. Even as box office returns seemed possible, sunk cost and debt threatened the Roshan's family stability. The gamble all in one. By 1998, with no liquidity left, Rakesh nearly exits Bollywood. Instead, he takes the ultimate risk, mortgaging his house again, cars, and everything he owns to launch his son in a new film. The budget overshoots by 3 crore as Rakesh insists on world-class production in New Zealand and Thailand, hiding mounting financial strain from his own family. Despite mental and financial stress, Roshan operates with discipline, scouting locations, maintaining secrecy, and avoiding visible desperation. This segment would use real-world interviews and data visuals to show the danger of single-point failure in business and why emotionally driven decisions need strategic hedging. The outcome, Kaho Na Pyar, has phenomenal success January 2000. The movie releases grossing 80 crores worldwide and launching Hrithik fever. Every asset mortgage is redeemed and the family's fortunes are restored nearly overnight. Data overlays would emphasize ROI, showing the rare risk that pays off, but only for those willing to stake everything and execute decisively. The consequence, unintended dangers. Success comes at a price. Rakesh Roshan's refusal to succumb to underworld pressures results in an attempt on his life, a stark reminder of new risks that accompany exponential success. So, financial lessons we learn from this story. Never bet all on one outcome. No matter past successes, never over-leverage yourself. Diversify your risks so one setback doesn't end your financial journey. Protect core assets. Mortgaging high-value personal assets like homes or offices can accelerate growth, but only if you have an airtight contingency plan. Emotional discipline. The real test of financial management isn't just technical, it's emotional resilience during setbacks. Avoid impulsive decisions under distress and seek family or mentor support. Transparent communication. Often families remain unaware of the financial strain under a crisis. Honest conversations build collective resilience and preparation. Learn from failure, hedge for the future. Treat every financial crisis as a feedback loop. Analyze what went wrong and put in place guardrails. Insurance, diversified investments, emergency funds for future unknowns. Seek opportunity in adversity. Sometimes forced reinvention like launching Hrithik can become the catalyst for the next big leap. But it must be guided by careful analysis, not desperation. For more such informative videos, subscribe StockGrow.